Hello.
Hello, I'm here to show you how to install the Sena 3SW and the Sena 3SB into a motorcycle helmet. The 3SW and the 3SB are Bluetooth 3.0 stereo headsets with Bluetooth intercom designed specifically for motorcycles. They have a unibody design integrating the main unit, control unit, speakers, and microphone. The unibody design enables the users to install the system with ease. The intuitive 2-button user interface is provided on an external control unit for the 3SW and on the boom microphone for the 3SB, which are within a quick hand's reach. The 3SW uses a wired microphone for communication, while the 3SB uses a boom microphone for communication. The Sena 3SW is recommended for full-face helmets. The Sena 3SB is recommended for open-faced and modular helmets. Here is how to install the Sena 3SW into a full-face helmet. 1. Remove the left and right cheek pad on the motorcycle helmet. 2. Locate an ideal place inside of the helmet to attach the speakers. If your helmet already has cutouts for Bluetooth headset speakers, then you can use those. 3. Once an ideal place is located, use the Velcro adhesive pads that are located inside the package so that you can attach the speakers inside the helmet. For example, we have already placed the Velcro adhesive pads inside of this helmet. Four. Place a smaller pair of Velcro adhesive pads on the back side of each of the speakers. 5. Attach each of the speakers of the 3SW to the Velcro adhesive pads inside of the motorcycle helmet. 6. Place a small piece of Velcro adhesive inside of the helmet in front of where your mouth would be and attach the wired microphone of the 3SW. 7. Reattach the left and right cheek pad. Attach the left cheek pad so that it covers the small wired microphone of the 3SW. 8. Place the piece of Velcro adhesive for the main control unit on the outside of the helmet on the left side. For example, we have already placed the Velcro adhesive pad for the main control unit on the outside of this helmet. 9. Attach the main control unit to the Velcro adhesive pad on the outside of the helmet. 10. Hide the speaker cable and the USB charging cable behind the back of the comfort liner. 'That is how to attach the Sena 3SW to a full-face helmet by Sena Technologies.